Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging in and lowering amp volume so you hear changes without loud surprises. Next, set the tone knob to 12 o'clock and the guitar volume around 70% so you retain dynamics. This gives a neutral reference point. Once done, select the pickup you want to shape and play single notes slowly to detect frequency shifts. This immediate feedback tells you whether the tone control affects brightness and if the volume pot is tapering smoothly. Now you perform deliberate adjustments. Turn the tone knob slowly counterclockwise and listen for mellowing as highs drop. Clockwise restores brightness. At the same time, sweep the volume pot in small steps to hear how output and breakup change, because volume not only loudness but drive into the amp. Make sure to test different pickup positions. Single coils respond differently than humbuckers, so you understand how each control interacts with pickup character and amplifier settings. Finish by dialing in the positions that match your target sound and memorizing them. This saves time later. Once set, play through chords and lead lines to confirm balance across dynamics. If pots scratch or jump, power down and apply contact cleaner or plan a replacement. Dirty pots cause intermittent signal loss. If tone knob barely affects sound, check the tone capacitor value and wiring, because a wrong cap or loose connection will bypass the intended frequency roll-off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.